Hello, if you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So, the swinging arm, or what you call it, the axle of a quad bike mount broken off. It's only sheet metal. See, it's a bit rusty there. So bottom half's long cracked, and it's just cracked the rest of it now. That's actually bent as well, so that whistle broken off and was hanging off that. And then it was just the top hanging off really. It's broken off. So gonna weld that back in. I'm gonna put it back like that, tack in place, and maybe I'll grind it out. I'll just tack it to sides and maybe I'll grind it out the top and give it a good weld, but it's thin enough, it probably won't need it. So I'm using a MIG welder for this job. I've tacked up the sides, so I'll grind a bit of V there and fill that up. It's going to dry down through a crack, so I'll fill that up with weld now, so it's full depth weld. And I'll grind it down flat, and so I'm going to put the flat bar over top of it. So I'll run, there wasn't a weld here, so I'll run a weld probably around there. I'll stitch weld, see there and there. Then I weld this up to here. Then I have to put a screwdriver in there, try to bend that out, and I'll hit that in with a hammer. I'll try to weld that up as well. It's quite an old crack as well there. Yeah. Hopefully it'll be stronger, and I'll plate over it when I get a bigger plate to cover it all. Strengthen it up then. So I got a side welded there and up there, and I've grind that out now. So I weld that up, and then I'll bend that back into place, and then grind that out again and repeat them basically. Point of grinding down, basically weld the full thickness of metal. You know we've got the full thickness, and put more weld down in actually in the hole sort of thing, instead of just putting on the top then. That is a bit tricky to grind the sides there, so I'm doing the best I can then. I'll plate over it after then. So I've cut this little piece of plate out to 1.5 inch. I cut the angles off it so not as many sharp corners on it for welding. I'll be cracking again, but I might be overthinking it. So I weld this in place at the bottom, and I'm pretty much finished there. I'll move on to top, and I'll probably need some inch flat bar, and need to have a look for that. Yeah. So I actually put a second plate over that second crack again, so should hold it all together now. So that's it done. I've put 2 plates underneath and this 1 plate at the top. So I'll give it a quick brush and coat of redoxide now. Okay, thank you for watching, and goodbye from me for now then.